All right, let's watch this video about kindness.
Sometimes it's easy to feel like the world's getting harder. But if we look closer, on the news, on the web, on the street, we're anything but unkind. Every day, we hear new stories of people trying to make the world a better place. And together, we can make the world that little bit kinder for all of us. It all starts with just one person, you. The thing about kindness is that it's just about the only thing in the world that doubles when you share it. And it's a fact, backed by science. Studies have shown that if you perform just one random act of kindness a day, you'll not only reduce your stress, anxiety, and depression, but your body is flooded with the same hormones that make you and the person you've helped calmer, healthier, and happier. Serotonin, which heals your wounds, helps you relax and makes you feel good. Endorphins, which reduce pain. And oxytocin, which reduces blood pressure and makes you feel more loving and loved. You'll both be more energized, feel less aches and pains, more confident, and could even live longer. And if other people see you helping someone else, they'll be filled with those same feel-good hormones, meaning they're significantly more likely to pay it forward. Like taking that extra moment to hold the elevator for someone, spotting a coffee for a stranger who's just a few cents short, giving your neighbor a hand with their groceries, even just smiling and meaning it. It doesn't take much, but it can make a huge difference for everyone. Those people you've helped will help other people, and those other people will help even more people. And those random acts of kindness can start a chain reaction that can spread across an entire community, a city, a country, and with enough of us, the world. Now, isn't that the world we all want? And it all starts with one.
It starts with you, so go ahead right now and take a quick second just to look around the room and smile at everybody. And maybe you'll have some giggles too, because it's kind of funny to take that time to do that, but it feels so good, doesn't it? And all of you students might remember from guidance class when we talked about the zones in the beginning of the school year. My favorite tool to get to the green zone is to do or say something nice for someone else. And so to say something nice to someone else or to do something nice for someone else. And that's my favorite tool because it's a 2-for-1. It's free, it doesn't cost any money, and it makes two people possibly get back to the green zone instead of just one person like other tools do. So it's amazing because it helps you get to the green zone when you do something nice for someone because it helps your brain to feel happier, and the person you're doing the nice thing for, it'll probably help them feel happier too. So it's amazing, and I love it so much. And did you guys know all that about your brain too? There's some big words in there, so don't worry too much about those big words. And the older grades will be talking more about those bigger words in guidance class as the school year goes. But all you have to know is that being kind does affect the science of your brain, the makeup of your brain, and it makes your brain feel a little bit better. So it actually works on a scientific level too, to be kind to other people, and it makes you feel happier. So we are going to focus this month of November on kindness. We'll be focusing on kindness during our cruise. And also we're bringing back our awesome time for guidance class. So if you were here last year at school and the year before that and all that, you'll remember in guidance class that we start out our time with awesome time. If you don't know what that is, I'll explain it in guidance. Well, actually right now you might need to explain it because you're going to do awesome time right now to just kickstart it and get it started. So you're going to do awesome time right now for all the adults in your classroom right now. So students you can help explain it to, or teachers you might remember from me being in your room from guidance. What you do is the teacher, the adults in the room, will sit in the middle of the circle and you'll go around and every single student will say what's awesome about you. And try to be specific and try not to just say about looks because we know all the teachers look great. But we want to be more about character compliments too. So what do you like about your teacher's character? So maybe your teacher is really nice, really kind, or maybe your teacher is really funny or really good at math. So think about those things that you like about your teacher, and you're going to do Awesome Time for your teacher and the adults in the room right now to kickstart us for our Awesome Time during guidance this month. All right. So after you do the activity to debrief at the next few slides on here, you can end with your Awesome Time. All right. Have fun, you guys. Bye.